Good morning, guys. Today we are starting the physical geography of India, which is the first chapter of Indian geography. Let's start with the physiography of India. In India, there is 28 states and 8 union territories. With 28 states and 8 union territories, India is a subcontinent and it is a South Asiatic part. What is union territories? Area under control of central government. India is separated from rest of the continent Asia by the Himalayas. Now let's see in the map. This is east side, west, north, south. In this area of India is covered by Himalayas, and the northern part of the Himalayas are known as lofty Himalayas. Which parts are permanently ice covered? The southern part of the Himalayas, there is in Great Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is well known for fertile soils. The western part of Great Indo-Gangetic Plain, there is Thar Desert, and the south of the Great Indo-Gangetic Plain, there is peninsular India, which is comprising of uneven plates. The peninsular India is surrounded by eastern coastal plain from the east side, and western coastal plain is also surrounding the peninsular India from the west side. The most important things in these topics as per the prelims exam: lofty Himalayas, which are the northern part of the Himalayas and which parts are permanently ice covered, and Great Indo-Gangetic Plain, the southern part of the Himalayas, which is well known for fertile soils. Thank you.